Teresa B. Ipis, and I'll be reporting the Section 6 line call rules. First, serve ball that clears the non-volley zone and lands in the correct service court or on any correct service court line is in. B. Except the serve, any ball in play that lands in the court or touches any court line is in. C. A ball contacting the player's surface completely outside of the court is out. D. Code of ethics for line calling. Pickleball is played according to specific rules. It also requires a code of ethics for line calling responsibilities when performed by players. The line calling responsibilities of players are different from those assigned to referees or line judges. The officials make impartial judgment calls with all players' interests in mind. The player, when assigned line calling duties, must strive for accuracy and operate under the principle that all questionable calls must be resolved in favor of the opponent. The basic elements are: 1. Players are responsible for calling the lines on their end of the court, excluding short serve, service foot faults, and all non-volley zone faults, if being called by a referee. If the opponent or referee can make a clear in or out call, the clear call will stand. If no clear call can be made, the initial line call by the player will stand. A call made by the opponent can be appealed to the referee for a final in or out decision. 2. Players on the line call is the center line and the serve in matches that have line judges. 3. The opponent gets the benefit of the doubt on line calls made. Any ball that cannot be called out will be considered in. A player cannot claim a replay because the ball was not seen or there is uncertainty. A player who does not make a call may appeal to the referee to make the call if they did not clearly see the ball land. If the referee is unable to make the call, the ball is in. The moment the receiving player team appeals to the referee, they lose the right to make any subsequent in or out call for that rally.
So, 63. The opponent gets the benefit of the doubt on line calls made. Any ball that cannot be called out will be considered in. Player cannot claim a replay because the ball was not seen and there is uncertainty. A player does not make a call may appeal to the referee to make a call if they didn't clearly see the ball land. If the referee is unable to make the call, the ball is in. The moment the receiving player or team appeals to the referee, they lose their right to make any subsequent in or out call for that rally. So, the discussion of this is dili daw maka make og decision ang referee kay consider daw to nga in sa receiving o sa server na team. And then, if ang opponent's team daw is magreklamo, dili daw sila maka call nga intong nga ball. And then 6D4, spectator should not be consulted in any line call. So pasabot ani katong mga audience nga nagtan-aw, dili to pwede siya mag-conclude og decision nga ato nga ball is in. Dapat ang referee lang. Then, 65, player should not question an opponent's call, although any player may appeal a call to the referee before next serve occurs. So, pasabot ani is ang opponent team kay dili pwede na mag-question sa kabilang nga team nga anong nagtawag sila og kanang call. Dili sila pwede nga mag-question ato nga anong gireklamo sila. Pwede ra sila magreklamo og kanang mag-serve na otro ang ilang kalaban. 66. A player or team may ask the opponent's opinion to make the line call in the player's end of the court. If requested and the opponent makes a clear in or out call, it must be accepted. If the opponents cannot make a clear in or out call, then the ball is rolled as being in on the receiving team. The moment the receiving player or team asks for the opponent's opinion, they lose their right to make any subsequent in or out call for that rally. The receiving team or player may also appeal to the referee to make a clear call. If the referee cannot make a clear call, the outcome of the opponent ruling will stand. So, pasabot ani is, ang receiving, ang isa ka team, pwede sila mangutana sa opponent's team nga if katubang ball is in ba or out. If labi na og dili sila sure kung katuba ilang hit sa ball is in ba or out. Kung pwede sab ang requested nga ang opponents mo hatag og kanang answer or in ba or out, ma-accept siya. Tapos kanang if kanang ang opponents nga walay dili makahatag og clear nga decision in ba to or out ang ball is ang ato is ang points is nasa pikas ng player, and then nasa receiving team. Tapos if kanang ang receiving team is kanang mangutana sa opponents opinion kung in ba or out ang ilang call or dead ba is wala na sila kanang lain nga wala sila choice if ang opinion sa lain team is out. And then ang receiving team po pwede po mato sa referee if mag-clear og in ba or out ang bola para po maklaro kung na dead ba or alive ilang pag-hit sa ball. And then 67, players shall not call a ball out unless they can clearly see a space between the line and the ball as it hits the ground. Ibig sabihin, ang player dili makaingon nga in or out ang ball if wala sila kaayo kaklaro or wala sila kakita nga ni-hit siya sa line sa ground ug nagtugtong na po siya. Wala sila kakita. Dili sila pwede mag-make of decision nga kana out na or in. And then 68, an out calls must be made promptly. Otherwise, the ball is presumed to still be in play. Promptly is defined as calling out prior to the ball being hit by the opponent before the ball becomes dead. So, ang pasabot ani is ang sabot ani is dapat yung nakag-out if or katong ball is na hit sa opponent and then wala na receive sa receiving team. Mara tong para ka maingon og out siya. And then dili pud ka pwede maingon og in nga out siya or short iyang pag hit. And then mara to.
Good day, sir. Today my task is to discuss the continuation of the topic Section 6 Line Call Rules. But before that, allow me to introduce myself. My name is GC Batisting. So now let's discuss first Section 6D9. Let's continue our topic. Section 6D9 in doubles one player calls the ball out and the partner calls and the dean out says and the team's calls will be and any player may appeal a call to the referee. If the referee did not see the ball is considered in. Sa dula nga double, pag tinawag ng malalaro na in, tapos tinawag naman ang kasama niya na out, maaaring magkaroon ng alinlangan. So, maaari tayong mag-apila sa referee. Kapag ang referee naman ay hindi nakita ang pangyayari, magkukonsider pa rin ito na in ang bola. Let's proceed to section 6D10. Outline call should be promptly signaled by voice and or hand signal described in Rule 13E2. So sa tawag na outline, dapat na ipabalo dayon nato sa referee pinaagi sa tingog o sa hand signal. Sama sa describe sa Rule 13E2. So section 6D11, while the ball is in the air, if a player yells out no bounce it or any other words to communicate to their partner that the ball may be out, it shall be considered player communication only and not considered a line call. So sa section 6D11, kapag ang bola nasa hangin or may sisigaw na isang player na halimbawa out no bounce or any words na magkukommunicate sa kanyang kasama ay makukonsider ito na player communication at hindi line calls. So let's continue section 6 dito. An out call made after the ball bounce is a line call. The ball is deep and we shall stop if upon a player. The referee overrules any type of out call. It is a fault against the player or team that made the out call exhibition. If the match has line, judges, the baseline and sideline judges are responsible for the call. See Rule 13E2. Sa section 6, D12, ang out call man lugaw sa bola sa line call, consider the out to the bola ang bola kay langon. Kaya syempre against this sa mga player ko, sa team na bilang ma-out call na. Pero kung ang bola na itawag line of judges, this line of sideline judges, sila ang responsible for the call base na sa Rule 13E3. So sa section B13, after the completion of our rally, players may overall a partner's line call and cheating team's line call or an opponents and call to their own disadvantage. So sa section 6D13, rally, ang mga malalaro mahimo nilang baliktaron ang tawag sa linya sa ilang kapartner. Ang tawag sa linya sa official na kupunan o ang tawag sa in sa at ng malalaro bisan kung ito makadaot kanila.